Hello, everybody. We are Group 5, presenting our final project, WearShare, Clothing Donation Management System. Our group members are Amra, Honey, Jaren, Brianna, and Shaza.
The core features of WearShare supports both donors and recipients through the entire donation process. Donors can upload and manage clothing items by adding images, size and condition, and editing or deleting posts whenever needed. Recipients can browse all available donations on a public page, use filters. We also added approval, scheduling, and notifications. Donors can approve or decline requests and once approved. The admin has full oversight of user activity donation posts and requests to keep the platform safe and running smoothly. Lastly, the system works like an incident management tool, tracking each donation from posting to pickup. Our planned features included secure user registration and login, posting and requesting clothing items, search filters for size, category, gender, and condition, and authentication using JWT. The features we didn't implement are the built-in chat system due to time limits and its complexity, and the mobile app version, which we postponed to focus on finishing the web application. So this slide shows what we delivered and what we plan to add in the future.
One of the first challenges we faced was deploying the full stack application. We struggled with setting up environment variables, connecting the React client to the Node and Express backend, and making sure MongoDB and CORS were configured correctly. We also found unit testing difficult since it was our first time using testing tools. It took extra time to understand what to test, how to structure the test, and how to fix the ones that failed. We also overcame several technical challenges. A big one was designing a clean and secure authentication system. We had to implement JWT properly, protect routes, and keep users logged in without running into token issues. Another challenge was connecting the front end and back end smoothly. We work on keeping our API endpoint consistent, handling errors, and adding proper loading and empty state UIs to make the app feel smoother and more reliable.
This slide shows the main features of the donation page. Here, users can create a donation by entering the title, description, category, and uploading images. They can also view all the donations they have created, and they have the option to edit or delete them at any time. Each donation also displays its status, such as pending, approved, or completed, so users always know where it stands. And since role control is applied, users can only manage their own donations while admins have the ability to approve or reject them. For future enhancement, we plan to make WearShare even more efficient and user-friendly. We want to expand the admin dashboard with richer analytic and better tools for managing users and donations. We also aim to improve the notifications by adding real-time alerts like push or email updates so users get information instantly. And finally, we plan to add a QR code system for confirming pickups through scanning, making the process faster and more accurate. These improvements will help streamline the donation workflow and enhance the overall experience.
Now I'll walk you through a quick demo of how the system works from both the backend and the user perspective. So this is our WearShare system, and it's been hosted on the Render, and this is our home page, and this is our footer. We also have a page called How It Works, where we give easy 3 steps where how user can follow in order to post a donation. And we also have a contact page where user can send messages. And we have an FAQ page, a frequently asked questions, where user can check donation related questions. And this is our donation page. The user can browse all the public donations. They can view the particular donation. It has description, sizes, details, and a small Google integrated map where they can check the location. the user can add multiple images. And when they request an item, it will take them to the login page because the user needs to be the register logged in order to request a donation, even to post a donation. And this is our create user page. We will do a mock-up creation to show how our functionality works. The user can provide a password, and then these details are required. And once registered, they will be taken to their account, and this is their user can see all his details. And it also have post donation. They can view their posted donations. They can view the request sent, and they can also view the request they receive for their posted donation. In the account, the user also has the ability to edit any changes, except for the email address. It's been locked because that's the user ID that we use. So the user can change city, save changes, and save. And you also have ability to update the password. So it checks the current password and then the update to the new password. And the user also has the ability to delete his account. So it's been deleted. So user don't have the account and he's been sent to the login page again. And we will log into another user. And this is the user one. Now user Umbra, and you can see the account. The user can post a donation. So we'll do a sample mockup to post a donation. User can have ability to pick up user delivery preference. And the user has ability to choose images. And you can choose up to 5 images and submit a donation. It's been submitted, and it will take the user to their posted donation page. And here is the posted donation. It says full checkout and it's been pending. It shows pending because the admin has to review and approve, and then it will be published to the other users where they can view. Only the posted donation can be the posted donation, and they can also edit it. Let's say edit the title and update donation. It's been updated. It will be taken back to the posted donation page, and you can see it's been edited. They can also delete. Let me show how we can delete. And now we can see it's been deleted successfully. The user can, we don't have a request anything because another user can send a request. For an example, if user wants to request an item, and if we request this item, it will say you cannot request your own donation. We will have some backend validations over here because the user has posted he cannot request his own donation. So the second user is logging in now, and the user can view all the posted donations. Let's see one, and the user can request his donation. So you get a message saying it's been sent successfully. And if the user want to submit request again, it will say no, you've been already requested. So we avoiding duplicate request over here. So if user goes to view my request page, you can see his request been sent to the donor Umbra and it's been requested. You can either withdraw or view the donation back. And let's see, going back to the user Umbra again. And if you see the notification, it's been view request for donation kits clothing been sent. So the user can view the request as a notification real time too. So now user can go to view donation request page to see what request he has got for his donation. So you can see user Honey has requested this cloth. He can either approve or reject. So the user approve, and then he can select up to 10 slot in order to for the receiver to come and pick up the clothing. So you can give the time, add slot, up to 3 slots he can give. So he's going to send this to receiver. And it's been approved now because we click on approved. And then user Honey logged in and go to view my request again. Now you can see the user Honey received these slots sent by donor. It's been approved by the donor. And the user selects the first slot and confirm the slot. And then it's been scheduled, and user can see its scheduled slot and then the donor's address in order to go and pick up. User still have a capability to withdraw now. So it will go back to non-request state again. If we go to the user Umbra again, we can go to view my donation request and we can say it's been scheduled. The receiver has selected the slot to come and pick it up and it's been scheduled. User, once the receiver comes and pick up the clothing, user can click on complete. And then you can also remove if it is being donated from his account. And yeah, successfully removed. And if you go to browse donation, that request that posted donation will be not there because it's been removed, donated and removed automatically from the site once the donor removed the request. And this is our project server.js file. So this is our backend. It loads all the environment variables securely and connects to MongoDB over here and manages the application. And we also use Express to set up the server, which handles JSON requests and log activity with Morgan. And for the files and images uploads, we integrated Mutable and Cloudflare, so everything is stored online safely, so we can save and access the images online in this platform. And all the main features are separated into a clean API routes over here. So for user donation request and notifications. And we also serve the front-end build. So anything outside the API automatically loads our client application over here. That concludes the demo and the coding part. To sum up, our application is secure, well-organized, and very user-friendly. It separates features clearly through API routes, makes file upload simple, and provides a smooth experience for everyone. Thank you.